Hey out there, YouTube, how we doing today? You can see by the box, it is the shop's favorite time of the month. The PMP Prep Box is back. Stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to show you everything that came in that box. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now for all you really cool guys who've been following me for a while and haven't done that subscribe thing yet, look down here, okay? You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up in a moment. Just hover over that thing, it's going to take you right to subscribe. Get it out the way early, and the rest of your day is going to feel a heck of a lot better, I guarantee. Okay, so we are now in December 2018. And honestly, December boxes for monthly subscription boxes are usually the really cool ones. This one is no exception. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the PMP Prep boxes, look right up here. Okay? Up here. This is the 10th box we've gotten on the channel. And when I upload this one to that playlist, all 10 of them will be up there. So check that out. Alright, I'm going to show you every single thing that came in every single box. He only has 2 subscription levels. He calls them level 1, level 2. Now, as we usually do, there's the price list. As you can see, this box has a total value of $180.83. Not bad. Alright, we're going to do things a little different this month like we did before, seeing how basically my house is a disaster area at this point, and I really don't want to have to reset a camera. So we're going to start with the very first item. It is the Schrade collapsible baton with a retail value of $31.95. Now what I like, he gives you exactly where he finds the price value. Okay? And it comes in a big old box like that. So let's get this thing open. Sorry, a lot of info from Schrade. So let's just open this up and see what they're doing in there. Hey, go figure. California, this product causes cancer. What doesn't cause cancer in California anymore? Let's get honest. There is your instruction sheet, but I'm going to show you really quickly. And there's a whole bunch of legal crap. Alright. So it comes in a great little pouch like this. Okay. Now, I am going to tell you, consult all local rules, laws, regulations, all that wonderful crap before you start carrying this for self-defense. Alright? It has a heck of a weight to it. And basically, all you do is, well, ow, I didn't want to kill anything. You flick it open. And it's, you know, really, man, there is some heft to it. I mean, there's some serious heft to this guy. Let's see if we get that. Alright. I know, just a cardboard box, but still. You just smack it on the ground. Well, smack it on the ground really hard right there in order to get it closed. Of course, now I say that, right? But it pops out pretty damn quick. Alrighty. So there's the first item in the level 1 box. Something else in there? Nope. Cool. Alright. Now, the next item up, I believe we have reviewed this on the channel before. And if I find out we have, you can see a little card right up there that shows my complete review on it. It is the Tctbnl Minimalist Tonto. It is an Allen Fultz design, and it's a beautiful little neck knife. There's all your wonderful stats. Plus, if you so choose, they give you a little thing to mount it on your belt. Okay? Not going to spend too much time on this guy because I know I've reviewed this already. Third item up is Cold Steel's Mini Kogo. Oh, excuse me, SD2. Oh, if it ain't to say, that blade's got a retail value of $40 on crkt.com. And the Mini Kogo's got a value of $10.99. Basically, there it is right there. So let's take this thing out the package. In essence, it's a hard plastic little mini Kubotan you can carry around. So if you have to hit someone, you have something to help protect your hand and give you a little bit extra strength. Or seriously, if you have to, you take that, jab it right into someone, it's going to mess up a day. So it gives you a self-defense tool that you can carry that is non-lethal and is allowed by law in most areas for you to carry. Alright, so that's it for the level 1 box. Now, those 3 items you're going to pay basically $50 plus shipping for. And the total retail value of level 1 is $82.93. Now, on to level 2. There's only 2 more items, so this hopefully should be a quick video, okay guys? We have the K-Bar TDI. I have brought the large version of this to my channel, so check right up there for a card and a full review on the big one. I opened it up, take a look at it earlier, because the large one had a vastly different clip than that guy. The small guy comes with the metal clip, which is beautiful. It attaches great to like Molly or your belt. And honestly, it's just an itty bitty little self-defense dagger, for lack of a better phrase. Self-defense tool that's designed with law enforcement officers in general. It's designed with them because they're used to pistol grips, and if you look at how you're holding it and you need to, it looks like it's you're holding your sidearm. So they're used to that, and they're used to the dimensions and everything else. These things are beautiful. Nice freaking pickup, Jason. Seriously, nice pickup, man. What I like is it comes with, there's your little instructions on it. And if you have to do any work, and I will tell you this much, on my large one, they really, seriously, I think they use red Loctite on some of these screws, so my large one has some claw marks on it when I had to remove the original straps it came with, but it gives you the great little hex wrench to get in there and get it done in some spare, clips, which I think is cool. And oh yeah, look at that. With everything with K-Bar, that is your limited lifetime warranty right in the box. Now, this last item, I gotta admit, alright, I was kind of skeptical of because I got a tactical pen from Schrade a little while ago, and I thought it was crap. It came with like a fire starter, a whistle, made from aircraft grade aluminum, it's supposed to be all kinds of great, and man, the threading on that thing was shit. But here we go, Schrade tactical pen. The usual propaganda from Schrade. And once again, oh look, if you were in California, this will cause cancer. Okay, my God. Sorry guys, I'm just showing you the paperwork and the other crap, just the usual stuff. But here we go. Okay, now this one I kind of like. It's a little bit smaller, a little bit easier to use. You've got a cord cutter right down here, which makes me a little, I don't know about putting it in my pocket. That's just me. You basically have a slight little glass breaker, get the frick out of my face, kind of pointy tip right up here. And in essence, you just open it, and there's your pen. But yeah, not bad. I like this one a heck of a lot more than I do the other one that I got from Schrade, except that cord cutter, because it just makes me a little hesitant putting that in my pocket, reaching in and grabbing and trying to pull out. I know me. I'm going to cut myself or stick myself somehow on this, all right? But that is the second item, second and final item in the level 2 box. Now, the total retail value of the level 2 box is $97.90, which brings your total, if you got level 2, to the $180.83. All right, guys. Now, this is the point where generally we'll reset everything up and take a look at, and I'll give you, my who's and ha's. Here it is. This box for self-defense. And yeah, Jason, I'm calling this the December 2018 self-defense box. Get used to it. It's going to stick. It's going to stick. Hashtag get over it, Jason. Hashtag I'm right, you're wrong. Hashtag ah. All right, my insanity, guys. Sorry. This is a great box for a starter self-defense area. Most areas, neck knives are legal because they're underneath a fixed blade limit, and you have to essentially display this in an area where people can see them. If you need it, this is a perfect last-ditch little tool in order for you to protect yourself, feel safe, and all that other incredible stuff. I wouldn't want to get popped with that glass breaker, you know, and I've been hit by some ridiculous things in my life. Neat little tool to have on you in case you need to use it. I have never really much used Kubotans, to be honest. I haven't. I see their value for certain people, and this is going to go to my better half, and I'm going to make her carry it with her. Jason, bro, once again, you saved me money because I was looking at something kind of identical to this. So I'm happy to have one, finally. I really, truly am. Now, with all that wonderful stuff being said, guys, here's the most important part of the video. I want to know what you think. All of you. Leave your questions, comments, hatred, love, anger, whatever it is, down below in the comments section. You know I'm going to get back with you. You know we're going to have some fun discussing these items. Now, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for taking a moment of your day to enjoy my insanity. I know there's lots of videos out there on YouTube, and we tend to do things a little different here. So thank you for choosing this one. Now, for you longtime viewers, here is your second chance at redemption. Right down there is going to be a huge channel logo. Look, I mean, it's just big compared to little watermark right there. Big logo, little watermark. Go ahead and click on that thing, man. It's going to take you right to subscribe. Now, after you beat the crap out of that subscribe button, just murder its little brother, the bell icon. Why? Good question. It's going to notify you every single time my channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, as we close this one out, 2 are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube's going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. Guys, thank you so much for watching the December 2018 PMP Prep Box self-defense video. Told you, Jason, gonna stick. Thanks, guys. Hope you have a great one.